In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find all of our Microsoft Loop components. If you've ever shared a task list, table, or checklist that stays live and updates everywhere, that's a Loop component. The good news is these components are stored as files in your Microsoft 365 environment, so there are several reliable places to find them quickly. I'll walk you through 4 easy options, and you can use whichever fits your workflow best. First, let's start with OneDrive. Because Loop components are saved as files there, head to OneDrive in your browser and use the search bar at the top. Type the word loop to surface your loop files. You'll typically see them with a loop icon, and they often have clear names based on where you created them. If you have a long list, try sorting by modified to bring the most recent items to the top. Opening the details pane can also help you confirm owners, locations, and recent activity before you open or share a component. Next, try Microsoft365.com. Once you're signed in, click My Content. This page brings together your files from across Microsoft 365. Use the filter at the top and choose Loop Components. Instantly, the view narrows to just your Loop items, including ones you've created and those shared with you. You can refine further with keywords, adjust the date range, or switch the scope to focus on your content only. This is a great way to audit everything in one go without bouncing between apps. You can also go straight to the Loop web app at loop.cloud.microsoft. Here you'll see your workspaces on the left and your pages and components in the main area. Use the search bar to find components by name or content and browse through recent items to pick up where you left off. This view is ideal when you want context, what workspace something belongs to, related pages, and quick actions like renaming or opening a component to copy its link. Finally, if you spend your day in Microsoft Teams, look for the Loop app in the left sidebar and select all your loops. This collects your components in one familiar place so you can search, filter, and open them without leaving Teams. If you don't see Loop in the sidebar, it may be under More Apps or managed by your organization's settings. That's it. Whether you prefer OneDrive Search, the My Content Hub, the Loop web app, or the Teams view, you now have multiple dependable ways to find every Loop component fast and confidently.